PandasBiogeme is now a Python package. Therefore, in order to install Biogeme on Windows, you first need to install Python. There are several environments for Python on Windows. Here we will use one of them called Anaconda. So here we have the Anaconda web page. And we will download Anaconda and install it on the computer. We will choose the version that is related to Python 3.7, and we will take the 64-bit installer. Installing Anaconda is relatively straightforward. You just need to follow the instructions on the screen. Once Anaconda is installed, you can launch it from the menu. And what we will do first is to use the Anaconda prompt in order to install Biogeme. This is a terminal. And the command to install Biogeme is similar to installing any package with Python, is using pip. Pip install Biogeme. And that's it. Biogeme is successfully installed to be used with Python. Now, in order to run it, it's advised to use a tool which is called Jupyter Notebook, which is also installed with Anaconda. Here, Anaconda, there is a tool called Jupyter Notebook. Let's launch it. Jupyter Notebook is actually a web-based editor for Python. Let's open a new session for Python 3 by clicking New Python 3. And let's give it a title. Check if Biogeme is well installed. Jupyter Notebook is based on cells, and a cell can be either a Python code or a command. So for example, we can put a command by choosing here Markdown. You need to type shift return. A Python cell is identified by the in, which is requesting basically your input. And what we will do is to import Biogeme into Python. It didn't complain, so it seems to work. In order to check which version of Biogeme is installed, I will import the version package of Biogeme. Here I use a syntax that allows me to use a shortcut. ver will be used for version. When you type ver dot followed by a tab, Jupyter Notebook provides you with a list of potential functions that can be called actually from this version package of Biogeme. In this case, I would like to get the text to see details about the version. And you can see actually that Biogeme is correctly installed and can be used directly from Python. Note that printing the version of Biogeme is used here only to show that Biogeme is correctly installed on your system. You will probably never do it anymore in future usage of Biogeme. Now I suggest you to go through tutorials on Python, Jupyter Notebook, and BioGeme in order to get more familiar with these tools.